Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. What's better than Christmas presents? January presents. This parcel here was sent to me by GABY'S. She's to be found in here on YouTube. I'll make sure to leave a link to her profile in the description below. And she sent this to me because she did a Scrawler box unboxing video where I instantly said that I really praised the graphite stick that was in this box, and she said to me that she didn't really use it, so she would be happy to send it to me instead. And I think there's more than just the graphite sticks in this parcel here, judging of its size. So it will be interesting to see what's inside. Let's go into it. I love this sticker here by Airmail Pavillon. It's just very nostalgic. Reminds me of those post office box playsets you could get as a child, which I enjoyed to play with. Let's see, how should I open this? Let me just here. Really well wrapped. Safety first. Ooh, it's a dispenser from Holland. Oh, let's see. Oh, there's a little card in here. Oh, and beautiful paper. Also, how nice. Oh, it smells wonderful, this paper. Explorer. To Casper, I hope you enjoy the supplies. I know you will do great things with them. All the best, Gabby. Little smiley down there as well. Oh, thank you so much, Gabby. Wow. Oh my god. Whoa. What is going on here? So many things in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm speechless. So many things in this box. Oh, where should I start? Sponges. Very nice. Could be useful for doing watercolors. I use them sometimes for doing watercolor pieces. Wow. And she even wrapped up some parcels. Oh my god, Gabby. This is already way too much. I hear the sound of pencils. What? Wow, here it is, the graphite stick. I love this. 6B. I'm a sucker for anything above 2B. And the reason why I love it is just because of this versatility of the tool. So you can use this one, the pointy end, for doing outline, and then you can kind of use the flat side for creating all sorts of different tones. If anyone of you out there have seen the Netflix series called Wednesday, there's some beautiful sketches in one of the scenes of Sketchbook where I'm sure that they've been using this kind of graphite stick here, or maybe pastel, but just, you know, get some really nice shades. Thanks a lot, Gabby. Oh, and what, look here. Faber-Castell color pencils, no way. But why, Gabby? These are so nice, and you could use these as well. Okay. I'm flabbergasted by all these presents. Could this be? Ooh, what are those? Art crayon, mixed media, aquarelle watercolor crayon. Ah, okay. Wow, I never had one of these before. Whoa, very smooth. And then I suppose you could add water to them and... Ah, wow, this is just amazing. I've never had those before. I feel like a little kid again. Oh, thank you so much, Gabby. I will be saying that a lot of times this video here. Watercolor crayon. Beautiful colors too. Oh, what are these? Antique pink blend, tri-blend. Ah, marker. Wow, yes, marker. And even one in the middle, so okay, try. So a thin one, a thicker one, and then... Oh, it's different hues, I get it. Beautiful. What an amazing thing. I usually don't buy a lot of nude art supplies, so this is just a huge thing for me to try new things out. Blue turquoise shades. Gold brown blend. I'll look very much forward to try these things too. Wow. Great for sketching too. There's more in this box. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Gabby, I owe you one big time. So yeah, let's have these first. Derwent 6 fine art pencils. Whoops. Ooh, color pencils. Metallic. Oh, wow. Metallic pencils. Beautiful colors, all of them. Huh. I never done much in metallic, so will also be very interesting to try out. Definitely. And Derwent is, I seem to recall that Derwent is a really good brand. Thank you, Gabby. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Scroller box, also Derwent. Ooh, pastels. Wow, my goodness. I love pastels. And just like the crayon or the graphite stick over here, I use this very much to croquis when drawing. But also just very fun to draw with. This is me, speechless over all the fantastic materials here. Yeah, crayons beautiful. I only have gray and black crayons right now, so at least the square sided here, so this is also a very great gift. Okay, we have something here that's in the box laying, looks kind of interesting. Liquid pencil, rewettable. Huh, is it acrylic or what is it? Oh, they're not open yet. Stir well before use. Liquid pencil. I'm not sure I know what these are actually. Maybe it's watercolor paint. I might do a separate video where I kind of try these out to see what those are. Blue and yellow is quite nice because they're complementary color or contrast colors, so I could create something fun with them. And gray, also cool to have a gray one in there. Yes, I think I'll try them out in a different video. Thank you, Gabby. Continues. Feels feels nice. I'll do it the lazy way. If I can. Oh, I can't. Wow. Goy Noir. Oh yes, I saw this in all the unboxing videos. Gabby did one, and Johnny from Just Johnny Creations, and Annie Claxton, who I follow a lot on YouTube. And I saw that they all unboxed this one, and wow, how beautiful the design is. And I love the fact that it's so heavy. It's like 300 grams or something like that. Oh my god. Now this will be a good thing for me when I teach at the drawing school. This is a very teacher's thing to have this kind of metal case. But just sketching with it, it's just a wonderful feeling. So solid. Wow. Beautiful. And I guess I could find these here in different art supply stores. Amazing. I look forward to be drawn with this too, Gabby. The final thing of the box, yes, this humongous art supplies box. No way. What? My god. She can't be serious. Sketch set. Oh wow. All those? My goodness. Okay, how does this work? I never had one of these before. So it's a sketch set pencil case. Very handy. My own, which I've been using for a while, is not good for larger pens, such as maybe my Tombow. I wonder if my Tombow can fit in there. Almost. Oh yes, it can. It can. Yeah. Wow. Perfect. Maybe this is time for me to switch pencil case then. So these are some very beautiful pens, brush pens, Sai Acacia, Japanese traditional colors. Wow. These are just a joy to draw with. I can't believe how lucky I am. And all these beautiful colors, and there's even a little brush in here. I have art supplies now for the next like 2 years or more, I'm sure. Oh, and there's also a little palette in here to mix colors with. Whoa. This is amazing because I have been wanting to have one of these for doing plein air sketching, so sketching outdoors and using watercolors to mix colors, and it's just amazing. So this is also a little handy. What's this? Is it for water? I guess it is. A little jar for water. You could use it for that. Foldable. Amazing. Just simply amazing. Wow. So many art supplies in here, in this box here from Gabby. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Yes. this was like the biggest present. Crazy. Just crazy, Gabby. Thank you so much. I owe you one. And as I've mentioned, go check out Gabby's channel. She creates some amazing things in there. And as I've said to her, I think she has a children's book illustrator hidden in her. Thanks, Gabby. And yeah, I wish you all a splendid day and have fun drawing.